Print template setup of after-service repair slips and quality inspection slips have been improved. Unlike the old version, where we had to edit top and bottom areas in different windows using HTML scripts, now we can modify the template on a single window. In today's video, let's have a look around the template setup of after-service repair slips as an example. If you want to display a stamp, image, or an approval line, click each icon to add them to the template and drag to move the position to where you want to. Also, right-click in the top or bottom area, click Add Fields. You can add these various fields into the table and place them where you want to. Of course, height and width can easily be modified by drag and drop. Right-click in the body area. You can insert, connect, delete fields, or merge cells. To insert the barcode field into the template as an example, click Insert Field, search for the barcode field, and add it to the template. If you click the added field again, an arrow-shaped icon will appear. Click the icon and drag to move the position to where you want to.